Hey everyone, it's May 17, 2024. Hope all of you having a great day today, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting two new exterior mods installed on my Mustang GT, and it's going to transform my car completely. If you guys did not see my last video, I got to install my Stainless Works long tube headers that really brought my car to life and transformed how my car drives. Alright, so right here in this bigger box, these are the side skirts, and this one right here is the front lip. So I put my back seat down. I was able to put this in here, and look at that, it just fits. So ever since I got my long tube headers installed 2 weeks ago, it made my startups extremely loud. I mean, really, really loud. I do have the Ford Performance exhaust still, which is awesome, and I usually have quiet startups so I don't bother my neighbors. And without that, these startups would be obnoxious, and it usually sets my neighbors' car alarms off. Since it's during the day right now, there's not many cars in the garage, no one's around. I'll do a loud startup, and I'll show you guys how it sounds. The startup is definitely ridiculous, but once the car warms up a little bit and idles down, it sounds really good, and it's not too loud. So listen to this. So this is normal, and listen to quiet mode. Track, it's so loud, and quiet mode makes a huge difference. So this is in track mode. And as you can see, it is ridiculously loud. I feel like I have the perfect exhaust setup right now with my Stainless Works long tube headers, with the high flow cats, with the Ford Performance exhaust that has the active exhaust. And I do have an X pipe as well, which definitely makes it tone a little bit deeper. It sounds so good. The car isn't obnoxiously loud, but when I get on it, it sounds amazing. It has a nice refined tone to it, and honestly, I couldn't be any happier with how my Mustang GT sounds right now. If you didn't see my last two videos, I got my long tube headers installed, and the video after that, I did a whole video showing how my car sounds like in and out of the car. All right, we're pulling up to Popular Muffler and Brakes right now, and let's get this front lip and side skirt installed. Alright guys, just got my new front lip and side skirts put on my Mustang, and it looks so good. I'll do a quick walk around and show you guys what it looks like. Wow, take a look at that. Huge difference in how my car looks from the outside. Pretty aggressive front lip, especially with the iBox Sportline lowering springs. The front lip makes the car look that much lower. And I like that you can see the matte stock side skirt with the aftermarket one. I like the contrast, it looks really nice. I love these little winglets they have on the sides here. And just the shape of the front lip definitely makes the car look really good. Looks super aggressive from the front now. And the next thing I'm missing is an aftermarket hood to make this look really aggressive. Now going to the side, oh, looks so good. GT500 style side skirts looks really, really good. Makes the side of the car look that much better. I love the black with the white paint. The contrast looks so good. And These stock wheels don't look bad, don't get me wrong, but my new aftermarket ones I'm getting is gonna make my car look so much better. They're gonna be bigger wheels, meatier tires, really gonna make the car look that much better. Car looks absolutely stunning right now, and I couldn't be any happier with how it looks. And comment down below what you guys think I should do next cosmetically to my car. I think I should do an aftermarket hood. I feel like getting a nice cowl hood or an aggressive hood with nice vents on there will make a huge difference on how my car looks. But so far, all the mods I've done, I feel like I've done a good job tastefully modding my car. Also, if you guys didn't see my previous video, getting my long tube headers installed and getting shots in and out of my car, look back and take a look at those two videos. Long tube headers completely transform how my car feels. And I still can't get over this though. The black and white contrast is so good. I was gonna go with a gunmetal colored wheel, but now I almost want to stick with black because these stock wheels look so good with the black and white contrast. Leave a comment down below what color wheels you think I should get. I'm definitely gonna get some nice Japanese aftermarket wheels, get some meaty tires on there, but I'm debating on what color I should do because the black looks great. I even seen some white wheels with Oxford white paint that looks really good, but also I've seen other white Mustangs with gray or gunmetal colored wheels that make the car look aggressive too. And it's a hard choice, but leave a comment down below what color I should go for. Another mod that I already purchased that I'll be putting on really soon is some new taillights. I got Aero taillights for my car, and I know that's really common as well, but with the Oxford white paint, having the Aero taillights with the white taillights definitely makes the car look that much better. And I'm excited to get those installed. I'll install those probably in the next couple days or so, and I'll make a video installing those aftermarket taillights. I honestly couldn't be any happier with how everything is going with my Mustang so far. It's been about 5 months of ownership, and I feel like the mods so far I've done have been pretty tasteful overall. And the car itself is really fun. I'm happy I went with the manual transmission. The tune I have on the car with the long tube headers made the car feel so much faster. The next thing I'm getting tuned is on E85, so I'll make a video on that. And I should be at around 500 wheel horsepower at that point. The front lip and side skirts look so good, and once I find that perfect rear diffuser, I'll get that as well. But if you guys have a rear diffuser that's not super aggressive, but it still looks good, leave a comment down below or send me a link showing me what kind of diffuser you think I should get on my Mustang. Man, I'm really content right now, and shout out to Popular Mufflers and Brakes in Arlington Heights, Illinois. They have been awesome. They've done a majority of my mods so far flawlessly, and the prices have been awesome. I'm gonna end the video right here, so please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new front lip and my side skirts, and all my mods so far I've done to my Mustang, and what you guys want to see in the future done to my car. And I do respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.